English to Persian. Where is?
کجاست؟
Polite travel questions. Welcome.
سلام.
Hey you, awesome learner. Ready to speak real Persian today? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. We'll master the 9 most useful polite travel questions in Persian, with jokes, mini dialogues, and quick drills. Keep your ears smiling and your tongue ready. Your goal today. You'll learn to ask for places, prices, permissions, and help, clearly and politely. Repeat after me and smile. Is there?
آیا وجود دارد؟
May I?
می توانم.
I need.
من نیاز دارم.
Where is?
کجاست؟
What is?
چیست؟
How much does cost?
قیمت. چقدر است؟
I would like.
می خواهم.
Can you? Informal.
می توانی.
Can you? Formal.
می توانید.
Mini dialogues. Let's put the phrases to work in tiny scenes. Repeat them out loud. You, excuse me, where is the metro?
ببخشید مترو کجاست؟
You, is there water?
آیا آب وجود دارد؟
You, how much does this cost?
قیمت این چقدر است؟
You, what is this?
این چیست؟
You, I would like a tea, please.
می خواهم یک چای لطفاً.
You, may I sit here?
می توانم اینجا بنشینم.
You, to a friend, can you open the window, please?
می توانی پنجره را باز کنی. لطفاً.
You, to a clerk, can you write it down, please?
می توانید آن را بنویسید. لطفاً.
Pronunciation snack. Tiny tips that make you sound clear and confident. As in father.
می خواهم.
Q, GH is a throaty G.
قیمت.
J like J, enjoy.
کجاست؟
Chi as in cheese.
چیست؟
Drill time. Echo me with confidence, twice each. Smile while you speak. Is there?
آیا وجود دارد؟
Where is?
کجاست؟
What is?
چیست؟
How much does cost?
قیمت. چقدر است؟
I would like.
می خواهم.
I need.
من نیاز دارم.
May I?
می توانم.
Can you? Informal.
می توانی.
Can you? Formal.
می توانید.
Culture tip. Tour of. Politeness rules. Use warm tone, smiles, and softeners. Add please and thanks often.
لطفاً. متشکرم.
Formal with strangers. Can you?
می توانید.
Polite requests. May I?
می توانم.
I would like.
می خواهم.
Quick quiz. Answer fast, then I'll reveal the phrase. Q. English to Persian, where is? A.
کجاست؟
Q. How do you ask, what is? A.
چیست؟
Q. Ask the price. How much does cost? A.
قیمت. چقدر است؟
Q. Say, I need. A.
من نیاز دارم.
Q. Ask permission, may I? A.
می توانم.
Fun challenge. Role play time. Talk to me like a friendly local. Ready? Go. At a cafe, you say, I would like a menu, please.
می خواهم منو لطفاً.
Your phone dies. Is there Wi-Fi?
آیا وای فای وجود دارد؟
Lost in the bazaar. Where is the station?
ایستگاه کجاست؟
Pointing at a souvenir. How much does this cost?
قیمت این چقدر است؟
Being extra polite to staff. Can you show me the way?
می توانید راه را به من نشان دهید.
With a friend. Can you take a photo?
می توانی عکس بگیری.
Asking softly. May I ask a question?
می توانم سوال بپرسم.
Wrap up. You did great, seriously. Let's seal it with a smile. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these phrases out loud.
آیا وجود دارد؟ کجاست؟ چیست؟ قیمت. چقدر است؟ می خواهم. من نیاز دارم. می توانم. می توانی. می توانید.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab free resources and more practice at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.